God's audible voice is wow. Um, it's amazing. That doesn't even describe anything close to what his voice is like. This it's indescribable. Uh, he spoke to me on the couch one day. Actually, other times as well, but I'm just going to talk about this time because it was my first time hearing his voice. This was last October 24. I just gave my life to Jesus, and I'm on the couch, and in my dream, I hear a voice, and I fall in love with it. I'm like, oh my gosh, like, don't stop talking. like, I was like, it was so addictive, man. And I woke up, and I'm looking around, and I'm tripping out because the voice is still going. Yo, I'm tripping, man. I'm bugging, man. So I'm like, oh my gosh. Like I wasn't afraid. I was just super excited because I knew it was God talking to me. And his voice was so um, loving. It was so peaceful. So like it was a distinct, strong voice, but it was like it was soothing. It was like it's almost like how a mother would calm a baby down, talk like goo goo gaga, like talk real soft to a baby. That's how he was talking to me. Like he was almost like trying to, it's gonna be okay. It's all right, chill. Like, you know, his voice wasn't loud. I mean, it was loud, but it wasn't like forceful. Like he wasn't, yelling. I didn't hear thunder and explosions. It was like the most, this was the most intoxicating voice I've ever heard in my life. I could listen to it forever, for hours. I'd do anything to hear his voice again. Um, yeah, this was last October. I just gave my life to Jesus. So I really hope you guys have an opportunity to experience that because he actually has an actual audible voice. Like you hear me talking, he's got an actual voice. So I love y'all. And hey, God's real. He's real. Later.